How you doing? My name is Dan from Double D's Auto Works. I'm out of Beacon, New York. I'm down here in Vegas. I found Glossit online and I contacted Rich Light. So I'm down here doing some certification training to install his new ceramic coating. It's titanium 9H. I learned a couple time-saving techniques, which is crucial if you're a professional detailer or in an auto body shop. And we all know, if you're a professional, time is money. And this product will save you lots of time and lots of money as you go through. You'll see your times cut in half. The end result is amazing. You'll have show car finishes with every application, guaranteed. And it's all in the prep work. If you have a good prep and you go through his paint correction system, you'll have flawless results every time, guaranteed. And then you can apply your ceramic coatings. And once you apply your ceramic coatings, it's unmatched.